use the plastic from the bumper first, some welds, and then you want to use the sticks. It's reinforcement.